Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm very happy to have you here. Hope you are doing great at your places. Now, today also, I have brought you a very uh, interesting video, and that is for again the tutor which is getting hired, but this time it is not from the Byju's. I have already made a video on the Byju's tutor vacancies for the offline as well as online. So, if you have not watched that video, I will put the link in the description box. You can go and check those videos because they are very informative. And if you want to work with the Byju's, I have explained in detail everything from scratch to the selection process. So everything has been explained. So go and watch those videos. Now this time it is not for the Byju's, but it is for the Vedantu. Now you might have heard about the Vedantu. It is also one of the leading educational platform, and now they are hiring for the online tutors. So today's video will be about that. What is the procedure? How you can apply? What is the criteria or eligibility? And how you can shoot the demo video? What are the criterias that you have to follow in the demo video? Because for the Byju's the criterias are different, and for the Vedantu they are different. Now since I have been also selected for a Vedantu as a master tutor, so I am quite well known of the process, and I will be explaining whatever experience I have gained through that. And so this video is going to be very informative and interesting, so don't skip any part of this video. Watch the video till the last. I will also give the link in the description box to apply on the Vedantu as a teacher. So don't skip any part. And if you like this video, you can hit that like button. And if you want more such content on this channel, you can subscribe and support to my channel as well. So without wasting much time, let's get started with the today's video. Okay, so let's talk about how you can apply to the teacher vacancy or a tutor vacancy in the Vedantu. I have provided the link in the description box. You can go and check that link. If you click on that link, you will be landed on their website. Now, when you will go there, you can see the basic details you have to fill while applying, just like the name, your email address, your phone number, your educational qualification. These are the basic details you have to fill. Apart from this, there are three to four things which are different from the Byju's, right? So what are that things? First, you should provide in what board you are comfortable with, right? So in what board you are comfortable while teaching, so you have to mention there which grade you are comfortable with. That means from 6th to 10th, which grade you want to teach, so you can mention it there. One more thing is you need to upload a CV, as in the case of application, any application, updated CV needs to be there. And the last thing is about the screenshot of your speed of your internet connection. That is important because since they are recruiting for the online tutor, so they will look forward into the internet connection that you have. So you have to upload the screenshot of your internet connection, speed of that internet connection, right? So these things if you feel, then you are good to go with the application, right? So once you submit that application, you have to wait for at least 10 to 15 days. Now in some cases it can be more than that as well, depends on the HR team how they respond, right? But generally they will respond within 10 to 15 days. So just be patient and wait for their reply. After 10 to 15 days, this they will screen or they will shortlist based on your resume and your qualification and all those details, right? If you get shortlisted, or if you go through this screening stage and if you get shortlisted, so you will get a mail. Regarding in that mail, you will be told to again fill a link will be given there, and you have to again fill some basic details. Now in this link you also have to upload a demo video, right? And this time demo video is not to be uploaded on their website, but they have two options. What you can do is, first, either you can paste the Google Drive link of your video, or second, you can paste the YouTube channel link, right? You can copy from there. If you have YouTube channel, if you have posted there, so you can paste a link. So the only option that you have is to paste a link. Either it is of the Google Drive or of the YouTube. These two are the options. You don't have option to upload a video on their portal. So keep in mind this and plan it accordingly. Right now, there are very very precise rule that we have that they have given to shoot or you can to record a demo video. Now that we will discuss it now. Now, they have certain basic guidelines how you can shoot the or record a demo video. These are, the first one is that the demo video should be of 5 to 6 minutes. It should not be more than that. Correct? Now, in that 5 to 6 minute, first 1 minute will be your introduction. And introduction, they again have mentioned that you should be creative while introducing yourself. It should be a crisp, it should give an overall idea of your personality and all those, so you can prepare well for the introduction. You should try new ways of introducing yourself. So you can do that within one first 1 minute. Second minute, that is the next 1 minute, will be what motivated, you should tell what motivated you to become a teacher. What is your motivation? What has driven you to become a teacher? So you should mention that 3 to 4 points, why you are here, or it's basically why you want to be a teacher. Right, so in that second 1 minute you have to mention that. And rest 4 minutes will be of your teaching demo. Right, how you are teaching, what is the style of your teaching. In that also you have to first mention what is the topic, name of the topic, and second you have to mention what which grade this topic belongs to. Please mention these two things, which is very very important, because if you want your demo video to get shortlisted, this is the one thing that will decide everything. This is the key deciding factor, I will say, so that your demo will get shortlisted. And I think there will not be anything that will restrict you if you follow these steps, because I have followed those steps and I have been shortlisted, and I have been selected for the master tutor as well. So I have gone through that. That's why I am saying that you should follow these strictly. Correct. Now once you follow, once you give the introduction and all, once you start explaining the concept, that concept has to be very clear first to yourself. Explain it in a simple language. You can make a short story so that the students will understand that clearly. And don't take very small topics or very simple topics. It should be appropriate for certain higher grades. So keep that in mind, because that is important. Next thing is, you should always for them, they require that you should make the video in a landscape mode, not in a portrait mode. Right, so uh, as per their instruction, portrait mode will not define your personality, or there may be some you can say lags, or you can say it is not reflected quite well in a portrait mode. So you have to make the video in a landscape mode, right, by keeping the your mobile horizontally. So that will define your persona, how you have your personality, what kind of gestures you use, facial expression that you use. So everything will be judged based on that only. So please make sure that the video should be in a landscape mode. Voice clarity and the voice modulation, this is also important, right? So whenever you are teaching to the student, it should not feel like you it's a monotonous, the same level you are maintaining throughout the class. So this is not expected, because it will now that will become boring to the student. So you should voice should be clear, and you should have a voice modulation, so that the class will remain active, it will remain fresh, and it will not feel boring for the student as well. So if you keep all these things in mind and record a demo video, and then I think it will there will not be anything that will stop you from getting selected in Vedantu as well, or for that matter in any educational technology company. So keep these points in mind, they are very very important. Right, if you follow these criterias, it will be better for you. The chances are more that you will get selected. Correct. So once you upload this demo video on their portal, not demo video, the link of that demo video, either Google Drive link or the YouTube channel link. So then you have to again wait for maybe 20 to 25 days or more than a month as well. Correct. So that's a very lengthy process. So again, you have to be patient and wait for their reply. And definitely, if you are good at everything, they will definitely qualify you, or they will, again, their HR team will call you and discuss about the salary. Now, whatever the rules for the demo video that I have told you, I have followed that thoroughly. I have followed that religiously, right? So, if you want to see my demo video, so I will upload that demo video again on the same channel. So, keep yourself updated, and you can have a look at that demo video, and you can record your demo video in that manner as well, right? So I think this was for the day, and this was about all about the Vedantu hiring and how you can apply, what is the procedure. So this was all about today's video. So thank you so much for your precious time, and we'll meet again with a different kind of vacancy and different kind of video in the next video. So thank you so much for watching.